From the invention of the wheel to humans producing materials on the mass level, production is a process that demands consistency, strong belief in the path, and some real effort. Making our way from the colorless canvas to the vibrant horizons, we have filled empty walls with smooth, long-lasting layers of quality paint.
खैरुन्नासा मन यनफ़उन्नासी, तुम में से बेहतर इंसान वो है जो दूसरे इंसान के लिए बेहतर है। दूसरे इंसान के बेहतर होने में है कि अगर हम अपने उन एम्प्लॉइज़ के साथ जिनके साथ मिलके हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं, अगर हम उनका ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे तो हम दूसरों के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं। सो हमारा बहुत ही इस मामले में फोकस होता है। 10% ऑफ आवर प्रॉफिट्स फ्रॉम ऑल आवर बिजनेसेस जो है वो एक एंडाउमेंट में जाता है, जिसको हम जो है अल्लाह की मखलूक पे खर्च करते हैं, क्योंकि अल्लाह को राज़ी करने का इसके अलावा कोई तरीका नहीं कि उसकी मखलूक को राज़ी किया जाए।
Manufacturing paints for decorative, industrial, protective coatings and vehicle finish, we have been preserving millions of walls in harsh weather and bringing surfaces to life with eye-catching colors. Diamond Paints has been proving itself as the best for 40 years with consistency, enthusiasm and determination, making it Pakistan's #1 paint brand. We have witnessed a process of constant growth with loyal people inside and a large network outside. These are the people who believed in the idea of a better and colorful world and joined hands together. Diamond Paints offers a vast color palette with quality colors and shades, continuously updating our production, putting sweat and hard work into it since we started. Now, Diamond Paints owns Pakistan's biggest paint production facility, about 8 acres in Sundar Industrial Estate, having thousands of options for colors, and our innovative Diamond Colormatic machine enhances the capability as well as keeps us on the top of the race of paint manufacturing. The right check and balance ensure that each product keeps up with the expectations and needs of our consumers. We as a family look after each other with the same vision, facilitating life and efforts. Realizing the need to tackle the environmental challenges, Diamond Paints Sundar Industrial Estate has shifted to solar power, which will help preserve 800 kilowatts electrical energy, enough to power 300 houses for a year. Every single person matters for growth, from staff working on the factory floor to people managing on the top. The Diamond Paints dealer network includes more than 2,600 dealers, achieving milestones one after another in the form of innovative products, delivering thousands of paint buckets full of happiness to our distributors every day. Our sales network and highly efficient sales and customer teams instantaneously deal with all the queries. A commitment to time and a sense of responsibility runs through our supply chain. Supporting as a backbone, our marketing team strives to understand and fulfill the requirements and demands of the current market. The research team creatively executes ideas which help brand building as well as keeping us a step ahead in the market. These very people have been playing a key role to provide quality products and easy access to our customers in the last 4 decades. The response from our widespread clientele strengthens our belief in customer care and facilitation. Diamond Paint, Pakistan's #1 paint.